All right, today's Saturday, April 13th, 2019. Do a little quick update here before I get started for the day. That's a beautiful sight for me, working hazards on the 64, front and back. Yesterday we finished up the American autowire kit. So since the last video, let me see, what did I do? I chopped the exhaust, just kind of cut it underneath the car so it's not sticking out. Maybe ride it out the side later once it's driving and all that, or not. So we finished up the wiring. Everything worked good, but I did have a hiccup. And it boiled down to that I had a single filament bulb in the where a double filament goes, and it was causing a funky ground issue to where you hit the right side turn signal and the left sides were working too. So figured that out and everything was good. So on the I did it columns, I don't know if anybody might not be familiar, it comes equipped with hazard, and it has a knob right there. Pull it out to stop it. We got the parking lamps working, front and back, headlights, bright lights, everything works as it should. Turn signals work fine. So everything's working as it should. And then my bright lights. Overall, the American autowire kit, I'm definitely gonna do that in the future. It does require, crimping your own terminals and using the connectors that it comes with. So it does require some work, but the payoff is worth it, because you get all new wiring on the entire car, front to back, underneath the dash, instrument cluster, brake lights, tail lights, headlights, dome lights, turn signals. I got a brand new power window harness. So every wire on this car has been replaced. Last night I was cleaning up around here and I threw away all the old stuff, and man, it's to think that you would reuse that on a car. I mean, you're talking 50-some-year-old wiring. Big difference in the quality. So I'm definitely going to do that again. I mean, I think the kit cost me a little over $500. Comes complete front to back. Money well spent, in my opinion. It's always good to have everything working as it should. The only thing that I haven't finished up is the horn. I did wire it to the front. I just have to mess with it on the steering column. But when everything works on the car like it should, it kind of separates the car from the rest that don't have everything working like it should, or stuff like that. So American autowire kit is done. I got my grill script yesterday, picked that up off of eBay for $20. That was a pretty good deal. The hood split, got that on, fits decent. I did get a rear antenna. I'm just gonna run one, because I don't want to drill this quarter panel, because I don't want to repaint the quarter panel. So we're running just a single antenna. Got that the other day. Today I'm going to mess with the power seat. I'm going to be converting it from a manual seat to a power seat. Throw the wipers on. I got to get the wiper wired up, but let me show you. So with the wiring kit, it comes with the terminals, or the wires they're super long. So I ran them up under the fender, come over here, tucked them up under the radiator support, drops down to your parking lamp. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, I had a 14-year-old basically wire this front end up. As long as you follow the directions, it's not hard at all. So I need to do my battery hold down. I'm gonna do that today. I'm don't know why we're out of focus here. But so this is pretty much the completed motor. I got the brakes feeling pretty good. I might bleed them one more time. But so this is the finished result. Got a crate motor, crate 350, 3-speed turbo 350, 4-wheel disc, brand new battery, 3-core radiator, notched, 500 steering, new alternator. I mean, everything under the hood is brand new. Everything. So that's the finished result. You don't really see a whole lot of wires. I mean, you do see some. You know, you can't get away from that. But I'm really digging the kit, the wiring kit, because it allows you to hide everything. You know, the factory would run the wires, you know, over the firewall, drop it down. This one you run it on top of the bell housing. So got the hood adjusted. I got my hood stoppers, bump stops, whatever you want to call them. So we're moving along, starting to look more like a car. Today I'm going to mess with the power seat. All that's left for this car is radio, speakers, carpet trimming, drop the seat in, and drive it. Did drive it back and forth down the street the other day. Yeah, you know, probably in total about 2 miles, and everything seemed fine. It shifted 3 gears, so that's good. Got it up to, I don't know, probably 45 miles an hour or something, just kind of putting down the road. I did fix all the leaks, I want to say. I don't want to jinx myself, but all the leaks are fixed. Wasn't too bad. Had a couple little brake line leaks, and transmission pan needed a little tightening, but overall I have no leaks from the motor. So just want to do a quick little video to show the wiring update. That's all done. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a little video here this afternoon on installing the power seat tracks for anybody who's interested in that. But stay tuned, and thanks for watching.